In our last lesson, we looked at the introduction to computers where we talked about hardware, software, what software is. This time around, we're taking a deeper dive into hardware. This lesson will delve into the specifics of each critical piece of computer hardware, including the keyboard, mouse, monitor, CPU, RAM, storage devices, and more. Each component will be discussed in detail, providing insights to its functionality, varieties, and their role in the overall computing experience. Let's talk about the keyboard. So the keyboard is a peripheral device primarily used for inputting text and commands into the computer. It consists of keys for letters, numbers, and various functions. There are different types of keyboards. Keyboards come in various layouts and technologies, including mechanical, membrane, and ergonomic designs. Mechanical keyboards are popular for their durability and tactile feedback, while membrane keyboards offer a quieter and softer key press experience. Ergonomic keyboards are designed to minimize muscle strain and a host of repetitive strain injuries associated with typing. Logitech is one brand that does very well in providing ergonomic keyboards. What is the significance of the keyboard? Keyboards are essential for performing nearly all computing tasks, from writing software code to creating documents and navigating user interfaces. The mouse. A mouse is an input device used to interact with the graphical interface of a computer. It controls the movement of the pointer on the screen and enables the user to execute commands by clicking its buttons. The common types of mice include the optical mice, which use a light source to detect movement, and laser mice, which use a laser to offer more precision. There is also the trackball mouse, which has a stationary, movable ball, beneficial for users with limited space or those seeking ergonomic options. The mouse is crucial for navigating within the operating system, selecting items, dragging and dropping, and accessing context menus quickly and efficiently. Monitor. Monitors are output devices that display images and text generated by the computer's video card. They are the visual interface for users to interact with their computers. Now, there are different types of monitors. Monitors vary by their technology and purpose, including the LCD, which is the liquid crystal display, LED, which is the light emitting diode, OLED, which is the organic light emitting diode, and more. Monitors can be categorized into gaming, professional, general use, and have varying refresh rates, resolutions, and screen sizes. Monitors affect the quality of the user's visual experience and can impact productivity in professional environments and the enjoyment of media and games in personal settings. Now let's talk about the central processing unit. The CPU is the brain of the computer, where most calculations take place. It processes instructions from both the hardware and software. Now, CPUs can be single core or multi-core, with multi-core processors having multiple processing units which enhance performance and speed. Major CPU manufacturers include Intel and AMD, each offering a range of processors which cater to the different computing needs. Just for you to know, we have a video on Intel, so if you want to know more about Intel, click on the link in the description to know more about Intel. The CPU's performance significantly impacts the overall speed and efficiency of a computer, affecting everything from gaming and media editing to browsing and basic document editing. Moving on, we talk about the random access memory, RAM. RAM is a computer's short-term memory used to store data and program instructions temporarily while the machine is on. It allows the CPU to access data much faster than reading from the primary storage. There are various types of RAM. RAMs come in various sizes and speeds, such as the DDR4 and the newer DDR5. The amount and speed of RAM can significantly affect the computer's performance, particularly in multitasking and high-demand applications. Having sufficient RAM is crucial for running multiple applications smoothly and improving the overall responsiveness of the system. Now let's talk about storage devices. Storage devices are used to store data permanently in a computer. This data remains intact even when the computer is turned off. The primary types of storage devices are the hard disk drives, that's HDDs, solid state drives, which is SSDs, and hybrid drives, which is a combination of the HDD and SSD. Obviously, solid state drives are much faster and more reliable than HDDs, but tend to be more expensive per gigabyte of storage. In the next video, we'll be looking at setting up your computer.